Now we're going to learn 3 things in this lesson, and all 3 of them are extremely easy. I taught this yesterday to 4th block. They breezed through it without any questions. There it goes again. So this should be fairly easy. Now, we're not dealing with triangles anymore. We're going to be dealing with other shapes. Now, for the first part, I'm not actually going to draw any shapes. We're just going to talk about it for a little bit. The first thing that we're going to do is we are going to find the interior angle measures. Now, this is going to use what we call the interior angle sum theorem. So what we want to do is we want to find the total sum of the interior angles. So I'm going to give you different measures. So I'm going to give you like a 7-sided figure, or a 15-sided figure, or a 30-sided figure. And I need you to tell me what the total measure of all these angles on the inside is. It's going to change every time. So I need you to be able to figure this out. It's real easy, I promise. So our theorem is n minus 2 in parentheses times 180. So here's our theorem. Now, n in this problem represents the number of sides. So that's where you have the number of sides. So if it's 7 sides, 15 sides, whatever, that's where that's going to go. So, we're going to do a couple of these. Like I said, should be extremely easy. Okay, is that better? Okay, yeah, she said she couldn't see, so every time I put it on this side, they're having trouble seeing it on there. So I have to keep shifting it to that side. So, let's try this.
Whatever number of sides right there, you subtract about 2 first and then...
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. So anything in parentheses means you got to do that part first.
That's where you have
Yes.
to remember your, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally rules. You got to remember those.
So, let's try doing one. Let's say we want to find the sum of, let's say, 13 sides. So if we want to do 13 sides, well, if you do what I tell you to do, then we're going to take that n minus 2 times 180. N was the number of sides, so that means I take it out and I put in 13. So it became 13 minus 2 times 180. So, of course, you got to subtract first. So 13 minus 2 becomes 11. So 11 times 180 is what? Okay, it is 1,980. Now we are dealing with the inside angles. So that means it is degrees. So it should have that little circle to represent that we're dealing with degrees. That's it. That's how you find the interior sum of all of the angles added together. Question. So the only difference is every time I'm going to change the number of sides. So if it's got 7 sides, if it's got 25 sides, it doesn't matter. Your job is the same, it's just it's going to change every time depending on the number of sides. So, any questions? Okay, let's try another one. So this time, I'm going to shift it over again. Let's do 9 sides. So if I want to do 9 sides this time I'm going to do what? It's going to be 9 minus 2, because we plug that in place of n, then times 180. So 9 minus 2 is 7. So now 7 times 180 is going to give me an answer of what? 1,260. Now again, that's degrees. So make sure you put the degree symbol on there. Question. So if they ask you to do this on IXL, you should be able to do this, correct? Now, the only difference is they may not say, hey, here I am on 9 sides. What if they give you a picture of a shape? Can you actually count the sides? You should be able to. So if they showed you a picture of a, a square, you should be able to count that it's got 4 sides. Or whatever they show you, you should be able to see how many sides it's got and plug it in. That's the only difference. I'm not going to sit here and draw all my pictures. Yes.
Are you gonna assign it before class ends?
If we have time, yes. So, any questions? Okay. Let's try. Mr. Martinez, just give me a number of sides. 17. So let's do 17 sides here. I better get a calculator because I don't know that one. So we're going to do 17 sides. 17 sides. Yes. So you're doing this one. Do not yell out your answer. Keep it to yourself. Just be careful on the calculator and make sure you hit the right button. If you hit the wrong button, you're going to get the wrong answer. Can't blame it on the calculator. Yep.
That homework you gave that how you said 1, 3, 5, 10, I didn't know you could do 30.
I think it had dots. Dots mean continue.
Probably used to say like the minus sign on it.
Okay. Have we got our answer? Okay. So if we have 17 sides, what did we come up with as our answer? We should have gotten 2,700 degrees. Is that what we got? You got what? Say it a little louder.
How y'all do it? So I don't know, like, I tried to, I just added the 17. I put the 17 in parentheses and I put minus 2. And then I put times 8.
180.
Yeah, 180. And then I just put what I had on the paper in the calculator and I got that.
So you type the whole thing into your calculator? Yeah.
All that.
Now, as long as you use parentheses, yes, it will do that.
The parentheses.
If you don't put the parentheses in, it won't do it.
I put the parentheses.
Yeah.
And
A lot of them will do it all at one time, yes.
I'm just saying, is that okay?
Don't knock all my stuff off.
Didn't mean to shake you guys, sorry.
I was just saying, is that okay?
So I accept how the I accept this on the.
Yes, part of it.
I was just saying, was that okay?
Yeah, that'll be fine. But see, there again, you're still typing in more than you would if you just simply did 17 minus 2 and said, okay, it's 15 times 180.
Oh,
You're typing in a whole lot more information into your calculator than you would if you just did 15 times 180.
I was,
But yeah, that would work. Okay. Let's see. Elijah, online here. Give me a number of sides. Okay, I'm not sure Elijah's paying attention to me. Oh. Can you hear me now? Okay, give me a number of sides. So Mr. Martinez gave me 17. So you give me a number of sides. Just, oh my Lord. No, Ray, we're not using that one. Okay, Elijah said 6. He gave us a simple one.
what did Ray say?
Ray said 532. Let's don't go that big.
I said,
Ray said make us suffer. I could make you suffer. So let's go with 6 and then we'll try something else. So let's do 6 then. Then we'll pick another one. Ray, I'm not going to let you pick anything if you're going to use 532. Let's don't go that big. Okay, so 6 sides should not be that difficult.
I can't figure it out.
Okay, it's 2. So 6 sides. Six sides. Okay.
It's 720.
Well, yes, that is 720.
Don't be disrespectful. I ain't bothered you in 2 days.
So,
Don't talk to me.
okay, bathroom break. If you need to go, hurry up. We gotta do a couple more of these and do some more.